James Taylor. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely nights when I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. Look down on me, Jesus. You gotta help me make a stand. Just can't make it through another day. My body is aching and my time is at hand. I can't make it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you one more time, baby. Thought I'd see you one more time again. Thought I'd see you one more time. I've been walking my mind through an easy time. My back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when this cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. We spent hours of time on the telephone line. We were talking about things to come. We had sweet dreams of flying machines, but they're in pieces on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. Lonely nights when I could not find one friend. But I thought that I would see you. I always thought I'd see you, Suzanne. I thought I'd see you. Through the fire and through the fire and the rain. Clint Holmes, everybody.